Tabletop to tuck L sit on P-bars. The tabletop to tuck L sit is a double combo exercise that improves shoulder mobility and increases core compression strength. The tabletop takes the shoulders into extension and stretches out the chest and biceps while working on scapular retraction. The tuck L sit targets the hip flexors and lower abdominals while the shoulders are working on depression. This exercise can be a real shoulder burner. Set the P-bars to be roughly shoulder width apart. Sitting on the floor between the P-bars, the feet are placed hip width apart. Push through the heels and contract the glutes to extend the hips and lift the body off the floor. Retract the shoulders by pinching the shoulder blades together behind your back and lifting the chest up towards the sky. Aim to externally rotate the shoulders by twisting the hands into the P-bars towards the pinky fingers. The elbow pits should be pointing forward. This is the tabletop position for each repetition. Slowly sit the hips back to be in line with the hands. Push down into the P-bars nice and hard to depress the shoulders. Think about pushing the shoulder blades down your back towards your back pockets. Lift the feet off the floor and bring the knees to the chest to hold a tuck L sit. The feet should be together, the knees should be together, and the knees are nice and close to the chest. Notice that the hips do not swing back, they stay in line with the hands. This will be the tuck L sit position. From here, extend the legs and place the feet back on the floor hip width apart. Lift the hips and return to the tabletop position. Repeat for the prescribed number of repetitions.